class. Today we're going to learn about geometry. We're going to learn about how are we going to divide our shapes in equal parts. But before we do that, I want you to learn some vocabulary words because these words are going to help you figure out how to do your assessment at the end of class. Okay? Today's word is triangle, half, quarter, side, shapes. Please say it with me. Square, circle, and fourths. This is a square? What's this?
Triangle.
Correct.
Circle.
So, today we're going to have a pizza party. You're all going to get a piece of paper that's going to help you remember how we're doing this, okay? So, we're going to use our circle first because on your assessment, I'm going to give you rectangles, circles, triangles. So, let me put a rectangle up there for good measure, just so you guys keep this in your mind. And that's not one of our words. So, okay, we're going to a pizza party. It's gonna be me and my best friend. And we just bought a pizza. Now, I don't wanna be greedy. I wanna share with my best friend. So we're gonna take that pizza and we're gonna cut it in half. You see that? 2 equal parts. Yay! We're gonna have good pizza. We're gonna fill up. Uh-oh. Here comes her friend. And then here comes another friend. Now there's 4 of us. Now what are we gonna do?
Make it in 4 pieces.
We're gonna make it in 4 pieces. We're gonna have what they call quarters. Right? Quarter. This one, we're gonna cut our triangle for purposes so you know that this is gonna be halved. Oh, good job, Morgan. Good job. So, oh no, the whole class is here now. Now everybody wants a pizza. What do you think we're gonna do?
Split that.
We're gonna split our quarters even more. What do you think that's called?
I don't know.
That's eighths. So there is geometry, correct?
Yes.
Can you make 10 out of them?
Not really, because 10 would not be even. So in geometry, we have all different kinds of shapes. We have squares. If I went like this with my marker, what is that?
2 half.
It's a half, right. This is a half, and this is a half. So if I came over here and I went boink, boink, and boink, what would you think that was?
4 half.
4 halves? Think about it. What was one of our vocabulary words? Do you remember? Quarter. Because each one is 1/4. See, there's 4 squares, right?
Mm-hmm.
But if I took this out, you're right, though. If I took this one out and this one out, now what is it?
5 quarters.
No, not 5/4. Look, I split the triangle
Oh.
right down the middle.
2.
It'd be a half. Each one would be a half, huh?
Mm-hmm.
So that would be halves. So if I put how many, what would this be? What would this be? There's 4 equal parts. Can you look at your vocabulary words and see? Look at your vocabulary words. I have 4 equal parts. on a-
Fourths?
Fourths. Right. There's 4 equal parts. So you're going to get this handout, and I am going to have you do an assessment at the end. We're going to continue to practice. I'm going to let you break off into groups. I'm going to give you a worksheet. You guys can work together. I want you to draw the lines. I want you to show me quarters. I want you to show me fourths and halves. After you do your worksheet in your group, if you all agree that your worksheet is correct, I want you to raise your hands. I'll be walking around. I'll be helping if you need your hand. Hold your hand up. You know the rules. If you need help, I'll be walking around. I will stop. I will help your group. If you feel your group is finished, put all your papers at the end. Then we'll go ahead and I will give you your assessment. Does everybody remember what the word assessment means? It's kind of like a test that says, hey, I know what I'm doing. Looky what I can do, okay? So after you finish your worksheet, you are going to do your assessment, okay? All right, so class, break off into groups. I need groups of 4, 4 fours. There is part of geometry, 4 fours.